This is George Shimon. I haven't done this in a while. It's about time. I've been thinking about making a video and I kept hesitating and I've been lazy. It's been cold outside and I'm coming home from work. I'm very tired. But I'm tired today too, but I wanted to make this short video to help someone who's trying to make their website without any codes. If we never met before, my name is George Shamon, and I am a professional employee in the telecom industry. I work on the office. I make design and of circuits and for internet connectivity and other type of connectivity. This is, the brief way of describing my job. But on a side, I learn how to code. I like the technology and I want to keep improving my skills. So a couple years ago, I started learning web development because it's much easier than the programming languages like Java and and C++ and other complicated languages that you need a computer science degree or certifications to know how to use them. And once I started using HTML and CSS for web development, and now I'm starting to use JavaScript. Uh, I'm having fun learning those, and at the same time, I'm improving my skills in to start building websites. And it's gonna be my side business. It's gonna be a service on the side. I'm gonna be offering it, and so I wanted to show you how I made a website, and you can check it out. It's I put it in a title. It's a George KC Web Services one word .com. Okay, so this website I made it not using code. I made it using an independent web hosting service. I got an account, and then I used their website builder, which is a drag and drop application, online application software. And the one I'm using is Hostinger. It's a web hosting company, and they have a lot of options if you want to check their websites. And they have a good service. I'm using them now. I've been using them for a couple months, and one of my resources page have affiliate links in it. So if you're interested in making your own website like georgekcwebservice.com, um, if you sign up through my links, this is my affiliate link. Um, I make a commission, but I will help you if you have any questions, and you want to make your website. So I want to let you know that there is no need to learn programming if you're not if you don't want to delve deep into programming and the technology, but you want to make your own website and you don't want to spend a lot of money. This is a very good method where you can get independent web hosting and use website builder. A lot of them nowadays they have website builders. Um, Now there are so many ways you can build a website. I'm gonna mention to you now some of those ways. I'm not gonna mention everything. I don't know everything. I haven't tried every option. The most ones I have tried are the web hosting, independent web hosting, and you install, upload a template. And nowadays they start having more options because so many people want to build sites and they're not technical. So instead of uploading templates that you want to edit it, they have those website builders. It's like a drag and a drop, and it's much easier to build a site if you are not a programmer. And there are other other methods other services, but the other services might be a bit expensive for somebody who's starting new, and you don't even know what you want to do. You're just starting to test the water, whether you want to start a business or you have a business in mind and then you want to change it. You're not sure if it's gonna work. So one of the easiest way is to do that. Just get a web hosting like the one I got. It doesn't have to be Hostinger. You can get other ones. There are hundreds or thousands of web hosting companies that you can get an account with them and build your site. And a lot of them have website builders. You don't have to know programming, but you still have to learn the dashboard and the control panel of your web hosting. Uh, Other ways you can make a website, and I'm sure some of you are familiar with those services. You have a service called Squarespace. Squarespace, I never use them, but they're excellent. They have a great reputation, and they have options. You can do a lot with them, and they have e-commerce options. But if you're starting new, you want to check their prices. I'm not sure if you can afford them in the beginning, but they're worth every penny you pay. They have a lot of options, and they take care of everything, the back end of their servers. You don't have to worry about the security and anything else. Um, Other services are Webflow. I never used Webflow. Wix is great. They have a good reputation too, but I never used them. Weebly, that's a website builder. So basically, a website builder is an easy way to put a website together if you are not technical. But you still have to learn your way around in a web hosting control panel. So that's it for this video. I just want to explain some of the ways when you can build the website. I didn't prepare for it, but maybe next couple days I make a longer video about web hosting, website builder, making a website. If you are not technical, because if you're technical and you're a web developer, you don't need me. You don't need this kind of information. You already know it. But the information I'm sharing with you now is for someone uh, who's starting a new, want to build their website, and they're not technical, and they don't want to spend a lot of money for hiring a web designer and a web developer. And there are so many ways. I have a lot of videos on my channel. You can check them out about HTML, CSS, about um, website building. There are a lot of options. I have other topics I talk about. I talk about Linux. I like Linux commands. You know, when you log in Linux, you have this terminal where you can type text-based command and you can do things in a system. You know, so if you have any questions, please submit it in a comment and let me know uh, what kind of issues you're having or what are you thinking about building a site, and I can answer them in the next video, maybe in the next live, because I'm thinking to start doing those live videos. They're easier for me, I mean, it's not easy once you appear on a cam and start talking, because it's not easy for me. I had to get used to it. I made a lot of videos, and but what I like about it, I don't have to do any editing, or because I'm not a good video editor. I know the basics, like how to trim, how to cut, how to join two clips, and how to do some minor transition and add some effect. I use OpenShot sometimes. I find it easier. And now I'm gonna start using Caden Live. They're free software. So if you have any questions or you need any assistance, let me know and check my website. And if you have any questions, you can submit. There are contact form on the website. Just enter your name, your email, and your message, and I'll get it to my personal email, and I will reply to you. Otherwise, you can add a comment here. And that's it for this video. Have a good evening or good night or good morning. I don't know where you are, but that's it. turn off this. Oh, let me see. Maybe here. Okay, and are you sure you want to